Okay guys, so in this video we're going to be talking about understanding market structure volume 2, and basically I'll be focusing on change of character. Okay, in my previous videos we talked about how to identify break of structure in trending markets. Okay, now we're going to be talking about change of character. Okay, so what's change of character? In a layman's term, we can say change of character is just basically when the market is about to change its direction from, let's say, from a bearish trend to a bullish trend, or from a bullish trend to a bearish trend. Okay, so simply put, let's put it this way in a graphical representation so that you can relate with it. Now let's say we were in a downtrend and the market was just doing something like this. One of the ways to which you know that the market wants to turn to a downtrend is when you see the market do something like this. Once you see the market do something like this, there's every possibility that you're beginning to experience a change in market trend. Okay, a change what? In market trend. Now initially, if you take notes, we actually started, in a downtrend. As you can see, the market was diving to the downside, but something happened and the trend was changed from a downtrend to an uptrend. So that is where our change of character comes into play. What's that thing you would see in your chart that would tell you that your trend, the current market trend, is most likely going to change to the opposite direction? That is what is called your change of character. Now in this diagram that you see right here, let's identify our break of structures first so that it will be easy for you to understand. Now this was our break of structure to the downside. Okay, when we were initially in the downtrend, right? Remember I told you guys, if you've not watched the video, go back to my previous video and watch. Okay, understanding market structure volume 1. Okay, so right here, this was another what? Break of structure to the downside. Okay, because markets actually broke that low, so we had a break of structure right there and the market went up. Or you can as well just say, let me make it easy for you guys. All of this area was a break of structure from this point. Okay, was all break of structure, yes, to the downside. Okay, so you had a break of structure to the downside right here. Then if you notice, something happened. This particular low that you see right here, did not take out any other market price to the downside. It only formed a low and shot up and went up instead. Are you getting it? Price did not come to break this low, this particular low again. Okay, so once you see that a low fails to break, there's every possibility that the market is about to change direction to the opposite side. So at this point right here, where this particular low you see here was not taken out, then you begin to expect price to shoot up to the opposite direction. Now let me show you guys something. Now this was a low that was not taken out. This low was not taken out, and an eye formed right here. This is the eye that formed. So this eye that you see right here is what? Our change of character. So we identify it as CHOC. Okay, that's our change of character. That's our change of character. Okay, and as you can see, one of the ways to validate if this change of character is valid is to ensure that price does not come back to take out this low, this particular low. You see, can you see that when price actually retraced from here to this level, this low did not break below this particular low right here. Instead, after price got to this level, reversed down here, it continued its upward movement. So the point at which price broke this particular high, this point here, that is our change of character. Are you seeing it? And as long as this low is protected, that is one of the ways to validate the fact that this uptrend is going to hold at least for some time. Can you see our price went up, retraced back a little bit, could not close below this low, and it continued its upward movement, and automatically we were able to establish that we are now in an uptrend. Can you see we now started taking out highs, break of structure to the upside? Are you getting the picture now? We now started taking out highs to the upside. We had our break of structure to the upside, and as you can see again, we had another break of structure to the upside. So the market automatically changed structure from the downtrend that it actually started from, and it changed to an uptrend. Can you see? So that's one major way to identify your change of character. So this point here, guys, this point right here is where all of the magic happened. You see this point here, where this particular low, let me show you guys something. Where this particular low, guys, where this particular low failed, where this particular low that you see right here was failed to be taken out. You see where the market retraced back up, came down, and could not break below this low. Once you see market failing to break below a particular low in a downtrend, expect a change of character. Now, this change of character would not have been established until we want to see price retrace down, not being able to close below this low and break above this particular high that you see right here. And even after price has broken above this high and it formed a fresh high right here, I want to see price make a little bit retracement without closing below this new established low. Are you getting the point? As long as this low did not close below this low now, and it closes above this new high that has been established, we can now say this point right here, this high that you see right here, is our established change of character. Are you getting it? So you establish this neckline as your change of character. Now, for those of you that know candle chart patterns, you can as well say that once you see market forming double bottom or double top, you can say it's one chart pattern that shows you that there's a likelihood that the market wants to change trend. So this clear chart pattern that you see right here, this clear chart pattern that you see right here is clearly known as your double bottom. We call it a double bottom because a double bottom actually formed as the name implied. This is the bottom, first leg, second leg, okay? And this right here is your neckline. So the break of this neckline to the upside is what we know as a change of character. Easy peasy. Now let me give you guys another example. We can just flip this, okay? We can just flip all of this. Let me flip it so that you can understand for a sell, okay? Let me just make it easy for you guys. And just make it easy for you guys. Now for, let's say the market was in an uptrend. Let's say the market was in an uptrend. Just give me a minute, guys. Let me just adjust this, okay? I just want to ensure that you get the explanation clearly. So let's assume, guys, that the market was what? The market was in an uptrend, as you can see right here. The moment you see that the market fails, the market retraces back from a new high that has been formed and could not break above this high, you start watching out for a possibility of a reversal. So can you see the point market now retraced down, broke this new low that you see right here, and retraced a little bit above, could not break above this new high that you see right here and started breaking structure to the downside, we can now say the market changed structure from the bullish movement, bullish trend that it was, and it now started forming a bearish trend that you see right here. As easy as that. So we're gonna go to the chart. I want to go to the chart and show you guys how to identify a change of character. That will be our next video.